Stage 4 construction is anticipated during the summer of 2023. During Stage 4, Highway 19 traffic will be traveling on the new bridge while the easterly portion of the project is constructed. Stage 4 construction areas are shown in red and completed construction areas are shown in green. Temporary construction areas for managing traffic are shown in blue.
The North Outer Road to the west of the interchange and the westbound I-70 on-ramp will be open, but it will be a right-in, right-out only movement. The Clark Drive extension will be used as a detour loop in conjunction with the North Outer Road. The westbound I-70 off-ramp and North Outer Road to the east of the interchange will be closed. However, a ramp detour will still allow access to Highway 19 and the area businesses. Upon exiting westbound I-70, traffic will detour on the blue temporary pavement and a portion of the existing North Outer Road. This detour will be one way. Therefore, access to the businesses will be right in, right out only. At the intersection with Highway 19, traffic will only be allowed to make a right turn movement and travel north. A vehicle wishing to travel south on Highway 19 will need to use the Clark Drive extension detour loop to travel south. The eastbound I-70 on-ramp will be closed. However, a temporary access is shown in blue. Travelers wishing to access eastbound I-70 will utilize the South Outer Road near Love's Truck Stop to access I-70. To manage traffic flow, the South Outer Road will be closed at the temporary access. Drivers wishing to access areas along the South Outer Road to the east of the access will need to detour to the east and utilize the interchange at High Hill. Traffic impacts related to Stage 4 are anticipated during the summer of 2023.